Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do mixture with wheat flour. For this we need around 2 cups of wheat flour. You have to use a steamer for steaming this. Here I am using an idli steamer, so I am using idli plate and a cloth for steaming the wheat flour. My steamer is ready with water and it is hot. I am going to steam cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can take it out and allow it to cool down. This is not hot now. Let us crumble this. Crumble this and then try to make it into a powder. It has to be like this. To get a fine powder, we are going to sieve this once. This is ready. Now let us take out 3/4 cup of the flour and keep it separately in a bowl. This second batch is for the preparation of bundi. Add a 1/4 cup of rice flour to the first batch. Add required amount of salt in both the bowls. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into each bowl. Next is chili powder, half a teaspoon each. A 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, to both the bowls. 2 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan, to the second batch. Let us take the first batch now, give a nice mix and add enough water and knead this into a soft dough. Our dough is ready and it is soft now. Next let us grease the mold. You can use any type of molds, but it should have small holes like this. Once greased, you can take a portion of the dough and fill the mold. You can fill up to half or 3/4 of it. The mold is ready. Now take a pan, pour enough oil for frying. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil for frying. Once oil is hot enough, you can press the dough into the oil. Flip both the sides and cook until it turns crispy. This is crispy and ready. We can take it out now. Do the same with the rest of the dough. Once all the batches are ready, transfer them into a bowl. Now crush them into smaller pieces. This is ready. Set this aside. Now take the second batch and give a nice mix. Take 1 tablespoon of hot oil and add it into the flour mixture. Now add water little by little and give a nice mix. We need a smooth batter. The batter has to be like this. To this add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and give a nice mix. Pour the batter into the hot oil through a ladle like this. Once the bundi turns crispy, you can take it out and add it into the mixture bowl. Next is crushed garlic cloves. Fry around 10 to 15 of them in hot oil and add it into the mixture bowl. Fry few curry leaves and add it into the mixture bowl. Next, we are going to fry few cashew nuts. This is ready, we can add it into the mixture. Next, let us fry few groundnuts. Next, let us fry few fried grams. This is also ready. Let us transfer this into the mixture bowl. Now let us give everything a nice mix. Do give a try. This is instant, easy to make and will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.